A warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you beginner's kettlebell for women over 50. We're going to do 4 great exercises using the kettlebell, and we're going to do this 3 times on all 4. Now, first things first, you want to sort of place your legs out slightly, and you're just placing the fingers onto your tummy, just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that engagement on the core. With a straight back, we're going to gently bend our knees, making sure the knees don't go over to our toes, so that slightly further in, and leaning forward but with a straight back. And then we're just gently going to come up and squeeze the glute as we come up. That's 1. Let's do this 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one up, and 8. So now we've done a bit of glute and a bit on the thighs here. Let's work a bit on the triceps on the arms. So standing nice and straight, coming forward with a leg, coming back on the other, hinging forward. We're just going to take our kettlebell and we're just going to lift up. 1, 2, for 8, 3, 4. This will really help those triceps. And then just 2 more. 1 and 2. And let's switch arms. It's coming forward, hinging forward, straight back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and gently come back up. So now let's do a very simple exercise using the kettlebell for the obliques. So you want to stand again nice and straight, tummy tucked in, and also making sure that our knees are soft, and just come down to the side and come back up. When doing this exercise, you want to also make sure that you don't push out on your hips. So you're fairly straight and coming down. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then let's swap sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last time 8. And so our 4th exercise, we're just going to stand here so I can show you. So we're going to do some kettlebell swings, and we're only going to go halfway up. So again, you just want to make sure that your feet, your legs are coming down, and your toes, your knees don't go over your toes. So coming out, we come up, halfway, nice straight back. 3, and remembering to hold the core in. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and come back up. So now we're on our 2nd set here. So again, from our starting our first one, coming out, I'll just go a bit back further for you. We're going to come down, up, nice straight back. 2, slightly hinging forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's work on that tricep here. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, holding in the core, remembering to breathe, and 1 last time on that one. And then on the other side here, again, straight back and just hinging forward slightly. 3. Obviously, you can always build up to heavier weights. Always best to start off very light though, and just very gently build up. And let's do one more on this side and come down. So let's work on those obliques again. A nice snatched waist. 2, 3, remembering to keep the knees nice and soft. 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the other side, come down. 1, 2, now obviously when you're doing these exercises you want to make sure that your body is nice and warmed up beforehand, so particularly if you're doing these in the morning you want to make sure that you're actually doing some nice stretches and a little bit of a warm through workout before you start on any of these kettlebell exercises. Obviously if it's in the daytime you're kind of warmed up a bit anyway. So once we've done that, let's come across again, taking the legs out a bit, coming down, kettlebell swings. 1, holding in the core. 2, remember to press in your glute as you come up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And shake it out. So now we're on our last set. Come down for 1, 2, remember to have a straight back, slightly hinging forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then just coming up, giving a little shake out. Let's now work on those triceps. Coming across, leaning forward a bit for 1, 2, 2 more, and on the other side, coming forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, straight back, and then let's work on those obliques here. So standing nice and tall, core engaged, for 1, 2, 3 more to go. Remembering nice soft knees, and then on the other side. Two more. And our last exercise. So again, coming out, and we're going to be coming forward. So coming from the side here, making sure the knees don't go over the toes, just halfway up, kettlebell swing. 2. Remembering to hold the core in. Just 2 more to go. And release. So once we've done that, just take our arms and you can just do some very gentle swings. Slight cool down. And then with our legs out, coming forward, just a stretch on those thighs as we have done a bit of thigh work. And then coming along again, not having the knees over the toes. Nice straight back. And then just gently come up and just do some shoulder rolls going backwards. And forward. And I always like to finish with 1 or 2 going back, so it resets the shoulders here. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up, it really helps with the algorithm. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.